myself. Look how beautiful that is. It's nuts. Look at that wild moose. Oh, oh, kill it. Oh, kill it. Alright, let's get it. Oh. You ready?
Feeling like I'm floating high as the troubles pass me by in my tropical paradise, yeah, where the raindrops feel so.
That was so much better.
Let the jungle set me free.
So much better.
This is where I wanna be, in my tropical paradise. Oh yeah, nature's got me hypnotized. Let the rhythm take control, healing body, healing soul. Ancient trees reach to the sky, colorful birds catching my eye. Crystal streams flowing below, teaching me to take it slow. Everything just feels so right in this green and golden light, in my tropical paradise.
First time going down.
It's so beautiful up here.
Well, there's still a long way to go up, but
What I've been looking at.
we are almost 1/3 of a hill up. It's doing so well.
Alright, this is the highest that I've been. What do you reckon, Haney? Good job. Oh, absolutely stunning. This is the highest that I've been. The view so far is amazing, so I'm so happy. Alright. So calm, so quiet. Let's go. Fuck. Oh.
Already came down from there. We are still going strong. Let's do this. Good job, Lucky. Turn it. Hey! Good job!
Thank you, Jesus. The hardest thing that I'm finding right now, obviously the snowboarding, these bloody chairlifts. I've got no clue. Each time I hold on to it, it just jerks me forward. That one wasn't too bad, so I don't know whether it's a technique or someone's with me in the control room, but the speed just picks up and I just go flying forward. It's so annoying, but made it up. So going back down again, hopefully this time we can have a bit more control. So that's the goal. The goal is to have a little bit more control of the snowboard. Let's get it. That got really soft. Back to my teeth.
I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. Fast as fuck, boy.
It's the swap. It's that I know what the issue is. I don't know how to fix it. That was pretty good. So right now we're doing the most dangerous bit probably of this entire video. This is absolutely insane. I didn't think that I'd be doing this second day into snowboarding, but Haney thinks I'm ready, so we'll give it a shot. I'll see you guys at the top. This is so scary, it's so hard. There we go. Okay, lift your leg. Okay. Can you? I can't hold my legs up. I can't see anything. I'm scared. Nice. Alright, well that's the end of day 2 snowboarding. How do you reckon you went skiing? How do you reckon you went skiing, Haney?
Yeah, good.
Good? Did you have fun?
Yeah.
What was your best part about the 2-day trip so far?
Best part? I don't know.
Have a think, I'll come back to you. The best part for me, for sure, was hopping on that snowboard for the first time and absolutely eating shit. And then to come back today and absolutely kill that last line that I did.
Yeah,
Hopped on the ski lift.
That's the best part.
That was the best part. Hopping on the ski lift, going up. I honestly think someone was messing with me because each time I would hold on to it, the whole thing would just bang, jerk forward. But then any other time there was like a kid or someone else in front of me, it would slow down. It was a lot slower. And I was watching the people do it, and theirs wasn't as fast as my one, so I don't know whether it's because I'm a larger man, I don't know, but absolutely loved it. So we haven't watched the footage from today yet, so hopefully it's all good. You guys will see this video at the end or in the middle, probably in the middle, we'll see. Well, I don't know yet, I haven't edited it yet, so yeah. What's the next bit? Where are we off to tomorrow? We're off to see Santa. So Santa didn't come last year to me, so I'm hoping he's going to give me a reason why. So that's alright, might have to let him off the hook, you know, because this place is so beautiful and he's letting me stay in his home country. So anyway, we're off to the shops, just get some snacks, and go back, relax. There is one thing about this place that I do not like. They say you have your private sauna, you have a private sauna, but the sauna only lasts, what, 15-30 minutes
Oh, it takes 30,
before it turns
says,
off?
Yeah, it says that it's 30 minutes to warm up, but it actually doesn't get warm that fast, and then sometimes it stays on for longer, and all. I don't know.
It's really dodgy sauna, so give it that one a 1 out of 5 star for that. So other than that, you know, the breakfast buffet, amazing. The dinners there, really nice, again, a bit pricey. but you're paying for the experience. And I did buy a reindeer sirloin, so I'll show you the photos of that.
But we still have been trying to do the sauna every evening.
Yeah, and we've still been trying to do the actual sauna every day, but overall the experience has been quite good, hasn't it? Egghead likes it. So yeah, we'll see you at Santa's village. Give us a dance. Let's go. Give us a dance. Give us a dance. Alright guys, so that was it for the video. This one is a week late. I know I haven't posted in 2 weeks, but I am on my Twitch pretty much every single day and my TikTok. So you can see me on there, you can follow me on there. But I hope you enjoyed this snowboarding video. There is a lot more to come. I know this one is 2 weeks late. However, I've got a lot of videos in the making. I'm looking for jobs at the moment. I'm doing a lot of sport. I'm filming outside. Lots of different content to come. I did lose track of the date, so that is my fault. But anyway, guys, please leave a like, follow, and subscribe because it does help out a long way. If you want to catch me anywhere else, I am on Twitch and TikTok, so I'll be streaming on that almost daily. I don't do weekends because that's time with the missus, and we're planning our wedding, so that is taking a lot of my time. So guys, I'll see you in the next one, and leave your comments of what you want to see next. I'm more than happy to go do lots of different stuff. If there's something particular that you want to see, a different type of content, let me know, because I am open to anything. Alright guys, that's it for this. Enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Alright, look at a little egghead. Look at that.
It's my top. Tommy.